गोवा टावन आनी कंट्री प्लॅनिंग एक्ट हाचे सेक्शन 39A फकत गोंयकारांनी वो कोर्टाच्या आदेशा प्रमाणे स्क्रॅप करूंक जाता. सद्याक तरी सेक्शन 39A हाचे विशीं दिल्ली ती परमिशनां सांत आंद्रे गांवची सस्पेंड केली आसत. पूण ही सेक्शन 39 हाचे पुराय गोंयांत लागू जातात आनी गोंयकारांक हाचो कित्याक विरोध आनी गोंय सरकार हो सेक्शन 39A कित्याक स्क्रॅप करिना. आमी विचारलें आर्किटेक्ट आनी प्लॅनर ताहीर नोरोना हाचे लागीं.
म्हाका दिसता काय there needs to be some degree of flexibility in planning. गोंयांत थोडे लोक आसा ते कडेन they may only have one piece of orchard land. फॅमिली वाडयता, एक घर पुरो ना म्हणून they may need to build a little more. नाजाल्यार लोक भायर सरून काम करता आनी that becomes a brain drain on Goa. So there are a small group of Goans who are facing hardship and we need some form of flexible planning to serve them. But a flexible planning law needs to have certain safeguards written into it so that it can only serve those who need it the most. Take for example आमचो मुनकार Act. That to me is a very good flexible law because Munkar Act allows the Munkar to have an upper limit of area for his house and class 2 occupancy. That means he cannot transfer the land to anyone who is not a blood relative of his. आमी अशे कायदे जाय जाल्यार Goa government, especially the advocates who are now defending 39A in the High Court, तो खूब होशियार आसा. They are very smart. If though their advice was taken, 39A could have easily been written with a lot of safeguards, but it was not. It was written with no safeguards and all the power was given to Goa Town Planning Board, of which is completely dominated by one industry. I did an analysis of the assets of the current batch of the Goa Vidhan Sabha. Ani, I find that out of 40, 26 have white money interests in real estate, either through them or their adult children. Now, what does that mean? That means that one industry has overwhelming influence in the making of laws in Goa. And if a law like 39A benefits that same industry, म्हाका एक सांग कित्याक someone will hurt their own pocket? Because of this, I have my doubts that 39A will be scrapped through the assembly. If it gets scrapped, it only gets scrapped by the people because the politicians feel they will lose the next election if they support 39A. Na zalyar by the court because the court finds that there are things in 39A that are unconstitutional.
तर ह्यो तर तुमच्यो सुसेगाद दनपार गोंयच्यो खबरो मेलबर्न ऑस्ट्रेलियासून. मेळया दुसऱ्या सोमानात ते मेरेन मोगा संदी.